Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today I am facing the issue in the Vite, that is syntax error. The requested module Node.js promises does not provide an export name constant. So how to fix that issue? Here you can see that exactly the error is. Okay. So to fix this error, the issue is only because of the Node.js version. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So currently my node version is 16. If I go with no nvm use node 22, okay, and now I will run npm run dev. It will run and it will work. Here you can see, right? So to fix this issue, very easy, very simple. You have to just switch back to the node version. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. In the next video we are going to learn about the multi-stepper using the material UI. Thank you so much, have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.